Ala, kabili na ako ng ganito.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Tikman ko. Melon.
Melon?
Melon. It's still I recommend.
Parang pambata na lasa.
Peachy.
Pero mas masarap ang ano.
Yeah.
Naglabas ng lasa niya talaga. Mas masarap ang ano, strawberry.
Peach, melon, strawberry, bestseller. It's really bestseller.
No.
Mango.
Okay, peachy.
Mango.
200.
Strawberry pa rin masarap, no?
Atang, sour fruits.
Ay, masarap na. What's this?
Tanghulu. Tanghulu inside sour fruits. Sour fruits.
I'm gonna ask you, which one, aside from strawberry, tastes good?
Strawberry, peach, melon, bestseller.
No, I don't like this.
You don't like this
I haven't tasted this one.
So this harder, okay?
Yeah.
잠깐만 왜 먹어? Hawthorn. Hawthorn.
Hawthorn?
Hawthorn.
Hawthorn.
Hawthorn. Sour fruits. Good for stomach. But outside have anything.
Strawberry. I go for strawberry. Yeah.
Oh, strawberry. Peachy. Melon. 这个是 melon. Second one melon.
Maasim.
你要 small 在这里。
啊
这样，可以选 choose inside。这边。
Sour.
对呀，sour，我跟你讲。来，这里给你 strawberry。
Too sour, right?
Yeah, sour. Thank you.